What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Yeislin and welcome to my channel. For today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be going to dermaplane my face. So I'm going to be shaving my face and I'm excited and nervous because I've never done this before. So I've actually been looking into this for a while now and I've been looking at the pros and the cons, and I personally feel like the pros outweigh the cons. So if you guys want to see how I shave my face for the first time on camera, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so before we start, you want to make sure that you have a clean, dry face. So I already went ahead and cleaned my face off camera. I just used a cleanser that I had, and then I went ahead and applied micellar cleansing water from the brand Simple. I just put that on a little cotton ball just like this and just applied it everywhere, and now my face is completely dry. So I've been reading and it says that it is important that your face is dry when you do this because it's going to be more like an exfoliating experience for your face. You're going to be removing your dead skin that you have on your face, and you're going to like have a nice new clean layer fresh skin, so your pores are going to be open and your face might get irritated a little bit or it might get red, and that's because you are removing all of the dead skin that's on top of your face. Alright, so let's go ahead and start shaving. What I'm going to be using to shave my face is this little thing right here, this little face razor. It's a very small blade, as you guys can see. So what you want to do is that you want to make sure that you hold your razor at a 45-degree angle. So you don't want to hold it like this or like this completely down. You want to make sure that it's at an angle, and then you just want to like grab your skin, just like touch your skin a little bit at a 45-degree angle and go down. And you just want to make sure that you're being very gentle. Like I can see already a little bit coming off. I don't know if you guys can tell, probably not, but and I do have a little cotton swab here, a clean one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my hair from my razor and start again. So you want to make sure that you're doing slow strokes going up and down, but very gentle with your face. Very, very gentle. So a lot of people like to shave like the sideburns off. Honestly, I don't, because I have curly hair and I love the look of putting my hair back and just gelling down my hairline, gelling down my sideburns. So I don't really care for cutting it off. I typically like that, but I am going to go a little bit closer and just shave a little bit off, not all of it, just a little bit. I'm going to show you one side first and then I'll compare it with the other side to see the difference. So me, while I'm doing this, I'm just going to talk about some of the benefits. So one of the biggest benefits for me for shaving is that makeup glides on so much easier and your makeup looks like 10 times better when you have a shaved face. And that's what a lot of beauty gurus have been saying, that when they shave their face and they apply makeup, it looks so much better. I'm feeling the difference between this side and this side, and although I feel like I'm barely taking any hair out, because I, like you guys, I barely have hair on my face, it's like a very slight peach fuzz, I can tell the difference from this side to this side. This side is starting to feel a lot more smoother on this area right here where I've been shaving, compared to this side. It feels a little bit rough, although my skin is very soft. It's naturally very soft. This side where I just shaved feels a lot more softer. So the part that you can tell where I have the most peach fuzz is my mustache area right here. So this is where you can really see my peach fuzz. So I don't really have any chin hairs that grow, you can't really tell, but this part right here is where you can really, really see it. So I feel like this side is pretty much done. I'm going to go ahead and move to my forehead since I haven't started that yet. And you guys want to make sure that you guys are being extra careful when you're near your eyebrows, because you don't want, you of course don't want to shave any of your eyebrow off. So just be very, very steady. If you have a steady hand, I would just stay clear from the eyebrows and not get too near them, because you know, you just don't want an accident to happen, and I sure don't want anything to happen to me. So I tend to have a really steady hand, so I'm not worried about my eyebrow. So I'm gonna try to get close to it as much as I can with my steady hand. And you do want to be very gentle and be careful that you don't like nick yourself on your nose. So I went ahead and did this side compared to this side. So I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but I feel like this side looks a little bit more brighter, and it feels a lot more smoother than this side. And I feel like it looks a little bit more shiny than this side does. Or is it just me? I don't know, but I think this side looks a little bit more brighter and shinier than this side does. But it definitely feels a lot smoother. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this side off, and then I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I am back. I went ahead and finished shaving my whole face, and you guys, this did take quite a while. I think it's because it's my first time, and I was trying to make sure that I got all my peach fuzz and all my dead skin. So this did take me probably like around 15 to 20 minutes to do, because I was just being so picky, making sure that I was getting all my areas. So that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe,
what are you doing?
Hit the subscribe button down below, or you can just hit it right here somewhere my face icon's gonna pop up. Also, you guys, don't forget to turn on your post notifications. That way you guys don't miss any more of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves. Mwah.